Hello? Anna? Yeah, I'll be there in 2 minutes. Yeah, come in. Mummy! Mummy! Na key ekkada? Okay, I changed and all, but I still didn't find my key. Where that could be? Oh God, getting late also. I think my mom only gets on. Not that girl. She's good at this time. Guys, I reached.
What rather you took so long?
Anna, mom didn't give the key.
You literally took more time than Vaibhav's ex-girlfriend, you know.
Hey, why me?
So yeah, today we're planning to go to this place nearby because lockdown starting from tomorrow, no? So Rakshit and Daddy are coming.
Okay. Where am I sitting then?
Behind Vaibhav.
Machan, that's in the right, not now.
It's okay, sit.
Hey riders, so today is the last day before the lockdown starts and this video will be posted I think 1 week after the lockdown starts, so that's why I'm telling you before itself. So today a few of my friends have come, so we're just chuma meeting up and just chilling for the day because from tomorrow lockdown is gonna start. And my friend Rakshit has come, he's the pillion on my bike, and Varun aka Daddy is behind me on the R15, and Vaibhav and Uday are coming on the adventure. So we're just planning, we'll go to this place called Nandigrand, which is around 15 kilometers from our place. We just thought we'll go for a small ride because we can't literally ride for another week. I think lockdown might get extended, but for now it's just a week. I can understand if there's traffic in the fast lane or the other car lane near the toll booth, but why is there traffic on this side near the bike lane especially? Amazing. There is a Alto 800 which is squishing up in the bike lane. No wonder he can't even pay chumma 220 rupees for going through the toll lane. Oh, he's literally creating so much traffic, and there are people also right next to us squishing us up. And also look at this auntie in the left side of me. Literally she's not even moving even if I'm honking at her. She's so busy in WhatsApp or God knows who she's texting that she's not even turning or looking at us. So yeah, anyways, India is a busy country as we can see right now. And Rakshit, who's sitting behind me on the pillion seat, is actually really uncomfortable. Yeah, I get it that the RC is not at all meant for pillion seat and all, but yeah, he's not at all comfortable. As you guys can just see right now, Varun just fell off the bike accidentally. He just misbalanced and just fell down. But other than that, nothing happened to him or the bike, so it's all fine and peace. And Rakshit just switched places. He was sitting behind me as a pillion, but he wasn't at all comfortable behind the RC390. So he just wanted to ride his own bike. So we're around 10 kilometers away from the place. So I'll catch you guys back after I reach the place. We just reached this place called Nandigrand, which is around 14-15 kilometers from our home. As lockdown is starting tomorrow, we just want to hit a small ride, so we'll be calm the whole lockdown, otherwise it'll be pretty boring for us. So we just came to Nandigrand right now.
So guys, we just reached Nandigrand. we ordered idli and vada. The best part about ordering idli and vada is it comes in 3 minutes. Other than like you order dosa, it'll come in half an hour. Very late. That's why best order vada.
So guys, we just had our vada and we were just chilling around with friends. We were talking and just sitting over there. So right now we'll be leaving back home. We just all wanted to meet before the lockdown starts. And this video will be posted 1 week after lockdown because we have another video lined up. Guys, we're heading back home right now. It's around 15 to 20 kilometers away from home, so we might be reaching in a good 20 to 25 minutes, as all are riding peaceful itself. I don't have any pillion right now, but the Adventure and the R15 has a pillion, and the lockdown is going to start from tomorrow, and this video is getting posted like a week after lockdown. And one more crazy thing to tell you guys is one of our teammates might be getting a new bike, so that might be the next vlog if everything goes well. If the lockdown gets extended, I can't promise you guys when the vlog will be out about the new bike. If you guys have any guesses who's getting the bike or what bike it is, you guys can comment it down below. And man, today there's an amazing weather, guys. It's a really nice weather for riding, and we're enjoying it the most because from tomorrow all will be sitting at home, and it's gonna be a boring week for all of us. But other than that, everything else is peaceful. Hope you guys all will stay safe at home.
We're gonna wash the Adventure and RC390 because it kind of looks dirty and it has to be in the garage. And also I feel like having one more vada. I'm kind of hungry now. Yeah, we'll wash the bike and we'll talk to you guys later.
Today's vlog, we're going to teach you how to maintain a bike during lockdown.
When did you guys both go change into blazers and come?
No, that all is not asked.
Point number 1. So if you guys have garage, please keep it inside. If you're keeping it outside, throw a cover on it.
That's mainly because if you keep it outside because of the sun, the bike's paint is going to fade and the rubber will get hardened. Point number 2, if the bike is around 3 to 4 years, make sure you start it regularly so the battery doesn't die.
If the bike is kottadi, then please start it after a week. It is okay. Point number 3, if you are owning the bike, at least keep it for 5 to 10 minutes so that the oil goes through the bike.
That's for the bike. So guys, during lockdown, make sure you to lube your chain because a dry chain is very bad for the bike.
So point number 5, make sure you guys clean the bike once in a week at least so that no rats and go destroy the wires and all.
Hey Rajnikant, come and clean the other bike, Ra.
Coming. And guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And also, hit the bell icon.
So we just reached this place called Nandi Grand, which is around, from our home it's around 20 kilometers you could say. Not 20. 14.
So point number 5, please do clean your bike once in a week. Point number 5. So guys, at least in a week, please do wash your bike. I don't, but
Not
still
wash,
I'm telling.
clean.
Clean and wash the same, huh?
No.
What the hell?
That's definitely going on. Hey Rajni, how much and all you do for your YouTube, da?
Can't help, bro.
Feels right, yeah. I can only say that it feels right.